Hello students. So in last session we have already seen how to import a CSV file. So in this particular session let us study that how Excel file can be imported. Let us import that Excel file. One more time we will practice for the CSV file also, and then let us proceed with the further use of Python for the data analysis. So this is the Jupyter notebook that I have opened. So what we have to do is we just have to click on new, go to the Python. So new file will be created. If you want to open the existing file, you can find that file, okay, inside the home tab only, and then you can open. So here I will comment in this session we are going to learn data importing Excel as well as CSV format. Okay, this thing we can do. So first part is always importing the libraries. Okay, so I'll comment this part, this only for reference, importing the libraries. Which libraries we need? Import Pandas, and then import NumPy. Okay, this is what the libraries has been imported. Now we are going to import the, now let us import data from local device. Okay, it may be your laptop PCs or anything. Okay, how you will do that? From Pandas read function, then CSV already we have seen, like CSV double quote D drive. Okay, and now I will write down the path wherever the file is stored. So let me see which is the file that I want to import. So yes, okay, all right. So what I will do is I will just take the name of that file, okay, and copy paste this particular path over here. All right. So the path is in E drive. You have big basket as folder, big basket. Then there is share one slash. There is apps file, okay, and then name of file dot csv. And this is what we are expected with. This is the file that we want. Okay, so this is how CSV file is imported. I will comment here. This is the way to import CSV file. Okay, all right, in this way. Now this CSV file we can see, but I want to store the CSV file somewhere. Okay, so what I will do, let us store the above data in a variable. What I will do, I will define a variable data equals to, and I will write down the same code over here. Okay, now what is happening in data, my entire that file has been stored. Similarly, if I want to import a CSV Excel file, what I will do, now let us import Excel file. Okay, so same thing again, we don't have to import Pandas, import NumPy, no, directly use of Pandas dot read Excel, and then write down the path over here. So let me see which is the Excel file. E drive, okay, and this is the name of file dot xlsx. Okay, this should be written in double quote. Okay, all right, now this is what we are expected with. This is the Excel file. If you go ahead and do CSV format over here, okay, CSV, so you'll get error. Why you will get error? Because the file is not in the CSV format. If you only enter here Excel, like the format is correct but the function is different, so it will give you different error. Why? Because you have called here that Python should import CSV file. No. So then ultimately what you have to do is Excel file, and then your file will be ready with you. All right. So in this way you can import your Excel file, CSV files, and then do further. Now same above file I want to store. What I will do? So I will write down, let us store above data in a variable. So what I will do, data 2. One more thing, data, and when I will give some name, let's say data 2, I want to write. I can't give here space. Either I can give here underscore, or I need to write it continuously. Data 2 equals to, what I will do is, I will copy paste this code here, and this is what is stored in the data 2 in this way. All right. So in this way, you have to import the files of CSV and Excel. Thank you, guys.